back to Young Engineers. Today we're going to be making something way better. We'll be making a burger. So let's begin. So first we need 2 pieces of bread and we need a big spoon. And we're going to put 2 big spoons of fresh, we'll have cream. That's 1. That's 2. We're gonna, that's gonna be after 2 of them. Okay, we have it. Now we're just gonna start mashing it up. I'm gonna use my hands because it's gonna be a lot easier. Close the cream up. So now I need to open the meat. Right now we only need half of it, so we're going to take half of it, what's around there. So around to there, and then we're going to pick it up, move it into this. We're going to make an even cut. Now we just have to mix it in really well with the bread. So I'm just going to continue mixing it like this. Need, because as you can see the bread has to be everywhere because it's just for taste. So once it's mixed in fairly evenly, like you can see, I'm just going to wash my hands so I can. So I'm going to take some barbecue and I'm just going to add it into the meat. About to there. Now garlic. Garlic adds a lot of flavoring. About that much. Next we need some pepper. Now we need to be careful with this or else it can be too spicy. That's amount. Next we need some salt, about that. And we need some leaves, I think they're basil, yeah. There. Now we need to mix it in again. I'm going to use my hands so I can mix it all really well. So now it's done, as you can see. So we're going to put this off to the side. So we're going to put it over. Okay, so now we have some pork. So I'm going to have to put a pinch of pepper onto it. And a bit more because that's a tiny pinch. There. And I like to put it in. And now we have to beat it up a bit more. Okay, so now I'm doing my next one. Right. Let me just straight. I already have the meat all beaten. We have 3 pieces, as you can see. We also put pepper on all of them. Next, I need my saucepan, my pan. I'm gonna put it up, please. I'm gonna put some oil on and some more. And that should be it. And then I'm going to put it around to 9. I'm going to keep it at 9. So in the meantime, I'm making the burgers. So I'm going to have to make the patties of it. So I'm going to take balls. And then I'm pretty sure you press it down. And then we have a patty. 1 done. Really nice, fat, juicy patty. I'm going to get a plate out to place them on once I'm done. Yeah, I like this one. Nice, juicy, fat patty. So the oil's now ready, so now it's time to take these. So I'm going to place it down. I'm going to take my self-freezing flour spoon, just sprinkle that on. I'm just going to flip it to the other side. And sprinkle the flour over. Okay, and now I place on this. This will fit just onto the pan, so this is the onion that's going. And you can move it. Then you can stretch it. And right now while we're waiting, why we beat the meat is because if you beat the meat, it's way more like soft and really nice to eat. So everything that you beat, meat that you beat tastes way better beat it than most of the time. Then I've got these claw thingies, so I'm going to use this to flip over the meat. As you can see, it's nice and crispy. So I'm going to click on the other one. So it's nice and crispy as that one. And it's not as crispy as that one, so I'm going to wait a second. So as you can see, it's all nice and crispy. And that's the time we take out our beautiful meat on a nice clean plate, because we're not taking meat onto our raw plate. And now we've got one last piece that we need to put on, and I'm gonna start spreading it out. I'm taking it out, the very last one. We took a small taste test of these, and delicious. I give it a 10 out of 10. They're really juicy. And now it's time to put our burgers on. Okay, one burger on, two burgers on, I'm going to just move one. Can't really get rid of this. Okay, we got our four on. Now we just have to wait for them to cook so they're as good as these. Okay, so now we'll get these out. So I'm putting it under. Have the nice little oil. Just placing it down. I can only take out 4 of these. Oh, this one broke. I'll try to keep it together. Okay. Next we have this one. They're all nice and juicy. These ones, and now we have to put them in the toaster. So first I'm doing it for my brother. So these are toasting. Too long, so they got kind of like that. But it won't matter because with all the flavor, it won't matter. So we first need, we have our here, what he wants on it. He spelled cheese wrong. He spelled chess. Okay, so we're gonna place. We're gonna start with the. Need something before the meat, so the beautiful juicy meat. We're gonna cut this in half because it's a bit too much for him. Beautiful. Next we need the cheese. Next we need some salad. Next we need some onion and a tomato. And then we put this on. And there we have our first burger. So let's deliver it to the customer. So there we have it, fully done. Now this is way better than McDonald's. So if you liked the video, make sure to subscribe like, ring the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Bye.